What is up, guys? This is FNH here with a brand new video to talk about the Hizek Super Grooming Kit. We got another beard trimmer review over here. This one I'm actually very excited for. I personally like this one from my last video as well. I'll leave a link in that in the description below as well for you guys to check out. But I personally like this one way more, and I'm gonna get into why. So the price point is $30, very similar to the other one. It has a lot of items in it. It's an 11 in 1 professional kit. Let's see if we can find over here. So it has a full-size trimmer, design trimmer, precision trimmer, nose, micro, 5-guy, body hair trimmer, separate adapter, USB cable, stand base, clean brush, beard bib, comb. Like, that's a lot of things, and you can see all of that here for $30. That's dope. The other one obviously only had 3 or 4 items, and it wasn't a lot, and that was kind of sad. I feel like this has everything. Like, that's cool. Like beard trimmer, detail trimmer, ear, nose trimmer, has all those different things for all your needs. Its battery life isn't as crazy good. 1.5 hours to charge, 1.5 or 90 minutes. I guess it's the same to work. Unsure why they did that. It's the same thing. 1.5 hour, 90 minutes. The ion battery, lithium ion, I believe. High speed motor. It's really good. Overall, I liked it. So I'm going to show you the box. I did check it out. I did try it out. So I just wanted to like give you guys a perspective of how it is, and you'll see why I said I liked it so much. Especially the price point definitely got to me. So here's the trimmer itself, and as you can see, so I'm not gonna open the bottom portion because it has a lot of other items. I'll actually show you real quickly so you can see there's like a lot of items happening down there. The bibs are there, the clippers are there, the USBs there. So we're going to get into that much, but we're going to get into the different items over here. So you can see we have the different clips. They feel good, they feel professional. You can easily hold them in your hand. They have the different quality types. And here's the actual trimmer itself. And the best part about it is it literally shows you the battery percentage. That's dope. Like, a lot of times you can't tell when it's gonna die. Like this time I know if it's on 10%, I'm not shaving my beard, man. I'm gonna hold it, like charge it real quickly to get it 30-40% and then shave. Because if it's on 5-10%, I've had instances in the past where other trimmers just died on me and I'm like, damn it, I'm like half shaved. So that kind of sucks. You can easily, like I said, always clip them off. So let's see how these ones come off. Actually, I don't want to put them off in the wrong way and it ends up breaking. So let's see. They usually, okay, so it is, I don't want to do it too much or break it. It's your usual, like, you either clip it on like that and you pull back and it just comes off. So it's a simple clip on, clip off, so you can easily do that. Easily cleanable, and like I said, it has the cleaner, it has the trimmer, it has the bib. So overall, those types of things do matter, man. I really do like it when they add on those different functions. Like I said, it even has this is the body hair. This is really cool. It has the body hair one, and that's why I said for $30, this is like a whole package that you're getting, man. So overall, I really recommend this and like this specific trimmer, and I would actually highly recommend it for you guys. The link will be in the description below for you guys to check out. But like I said, they have the other items here. They have the stand, they have the charger, they have extra clips over here to shave and whatnot, resize the beard, mustache, whatever you're trying to trim or shave. And yeah, overall, I'm very much like this product, guys. Let me know your thoughts below if you have it, if you're gonna check it out. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you guys think? But overall, if you guys liked the video, definitely smash that like button. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.